How to report police or hazards in Waze. First, open the Waze app and make sure your GPS or location is turned on so Waze can track your drive. Start navigation or stay on map. You can report police or hazards anytime while viewing the map, whether you are driving or parked safely. On the main screen, tap the orange space bubble. This is the report button. Now choose what you want to report. You will see different options. Tap police if you see a police officer or a speeding trap nearby. For hazard, if there is something on the road like trees, a stopped car, or bad weather. For police, you can choose visible, hidden, or other side, or mobile camera. For hazard, you can select on road, on shoulder, or weather, or road work, broken traffic lights, pothole, and then pick the specific type. Once you have selected the type and detail, tap report. Your report will instantly appear on the Waze map for other drivers to see. And each time you report accurately, you earn points and reputation in Waze. Plus, you help make driving safer for everyone. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.